Welcome to the bulletin. I'm Robinson Okenye, and Pretty Janet is on sign language. Now, tonight, more than 40 youth have been charged with terrorism between June 25th and today at the Kahawa Law Courts. This was after 8 suspects in the torching of Mawego police station were rearrested after taking an arson plea in Oyugis, then recharged for terror. Meanwhile, 37 youth, including DCP party officials, have been released on a 50,000 cash bail after pleading not guilty to terror charges. Winfrey Wino starts our bulletin with that story.
44 people, among them the 8 accused of torching Mawego police station in Rachonyo North, Homa Bay County, have been slapped with terrorism charges. The 8 were on Tuesday arraigned before the Kahawa Law Courts, where they faced 3 counts under the Prevention of Terrorism Act. Initially charged with arson and malicious damage to property, the suspects had been released only to be rearrested and brought back to court under new, graver charges. According to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the suspects were involved in a calculated attack that saw part of the Mawego police station reduced to ashes. They were among mourners who stormed the station, where Ojwang was temporarily held. Police say the act qualifies as terrorism. Elsewhere, 37 suspects who were arrested shortly after the June 25th memorial protests were freed on a cash bail of 50,000 Kenyan shillings each by a Kahawa Law Court. The presiding magistrate, Gideon Kiage, dismissed the DPP's application to detain DCP party leaders James Wanjiru and Wanjiko Muhia, citing lack of evidence.
It is upon Mr. William Ruto ajue vile ataishi hii Kenya na vijana. Sio vijana watajua vile wataishi na William Ruto.
It is a way of the government to silence young people and to silence political dissent.
Retired Chief Justice David Maraga is among legal minds who attended the hearing of the case.
A terrorist offense is a very serious offense, and the reason why they are being charged with terrorism is so that they are denied bond, so that they are traumatized and kept in custody and the families.
Tusisahau kwamba Gen Z walienda kwa streets kwa sababu gani? Sio mambo ya ushuru kushuka tu, lakini wanataka nchi ambapo kuna kazi, nchi ambapo hakuna ufisadi na wizi.
So, is torching a police station really an act of terrorism?
In the absence of indoctrination, in the absence of extremism, and in the absence of radicalization, then you cannot then say that these persons are terrorists.
Under the law, a terrorist act is defined as any violent act or threat meant to intimidate the public, disrupt essential services, endanger lives or property, or compel the government into action. Behind me lies the remains of what used to be Dagoretti Police Post, one of the key government installations that were torched on June 25th this year. But in as much as young people are in court on terrorism charges for torching of police stations and many other institutions across the country, residents in this area maintain that those people who torched this police station were not from this community. Winfrey Owino, KTN, Nairobi.
Now, for the last few weeks, some of President William Ruto's strong allies